Hey guys, welcome. This is a little different video. I was talking to some people about Blender, and a guy I shared how to do a ring with, and he told me Blender he moved a part in the ring to close the gap. Um, he moved it a couple degrees, and it kept the opening, but it closed the gap. Now I've done parts of work with prefab. This is me. I wasn't recording this. I'm doing something different with this build, with this video. I was doing this in game just to mess around because I'm moving the staircase. Because what was happening here is I had that joint, the turn there. The problem is, even me in my base, I was walking into the water because it was straight across. So this is just a typical. I use Pharaoh's method, which he introduced way before Frontiers, um, to position a slight angled corridor. Um, Literally, what's happening here is the height of the two cuboids is off by a wire. Literally a wire. You'll see in this video what I'm talking about. So it's just a simple angle method. I'm just using a wire glitch. You have to attach it to the correct wire here. Yeah, I delete the other wire so there's no confusion. What I do is I always glitch in a full paver uh, to this because that's the same size as the uh, as a cuboid. You attach that to a floor, and then I use just the short wall angle back to get the wire connection. That leaves the wire point at the correct distance. Now you can do a lot of different ways. The easiest way I found is to use a quad corner or quad entrance corridor. That part right there. You glitch it on there, attach a regular corridor to that. Now that gets you the angle. Okay, there's now an angle that's on. It's very very slight. Here I'm trying to connect the corridor. See, that's connected to the cuboid, not the center piece. And watch what happens. I think I'm trying to set it up here, and I was actually contemplating at a point when sorry, yeah, that's connected to there, and to there, and then I did one on this side. Now, what's happened here is you can see by the wire on the bottom, it's literally off by one wire width, and the doors don't open. Right? This is how intense prefab parts are. Right? I'm off by a little half wire, and the parts won't open. I've tested this hundreds of times. Right? How do I fix this? How do you fix this? Right? Well, it's a simple. It's a simple fix. I do it in a second. But you can see that corridor. It's off by one wire slope in 3. I know that if I do this correctly, you won't even notice. And I'll show you how I fix it right here. This is actually Loki building. This is how I do it. I keep the center, but I delete both sides. See, that one works. See how that works? See, it's open. Right? Because I connected it. This one here, I can't get connected because of the way the parts are so close together. So what I have to do is I have to delete parts. Now it's only attaching to that one because the one that's on is on a slight angle. Right? Prefabs are funny. So in order to get the part paste, I have to delete that part, which I will do in a second. Right here. Boom. Now I place that part and watch what happens. As soon as I click on this, watch. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Right? That's how slight this game is. Right? If you're off, but the only reason that works is because now the corridors are at an angle. You see? So that's a little behavior of prefabs that people don't realize, and it's very very important. Thanks for watching.